Meron kaming malaking problema, guys, tungkol sa bahay namin.
Escape while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
I guess I'm watching Mal Tumbongera and Tommy is listening. But he doesn't understand. He just look and listen. Miles, oy, ikaw kasi. You don't need to say it in English. Ikaw yun, Miles. Oh. Salamat, Miles, sa pagkulab. Ano to? So, Tommy is just listening to your yo-yo. Miles, oh, you're so funny. Look, at least you put eyeliner. Me, I didn't put eyeliner because I forgot to put eyeliner on my table. I was done looking at Miles' video, and Tommy overheard. He just like keep looking and then just he doesn't laugh, but he do like this. Miles. hindi umiimik kasi umaga kasi. Binigyan ko ng coffee. I give him a coffee and he sat down with me. And anyway, it's 7:22 already in the morning. And guys, I have to make some breakfast. Croissant. Ikakat ko siya. Ganyan. And i-toast ko siya. And Rocky. And while I'm feeding Roxy, I do like I'm leaning like that. I usually lean and hug. Suddenly he bumped his head into her. It's bleeding inside on my lips. Did you see my teeth? If you watch my video, like my parang bungi na siya. Kasi Roxy jump on my mouth. Jumping, I leaning like this and then she just jump. So na-feel ko yung puti lumipad. Lumipad. Sakit talaga, guys. As in, it was very painful. It was very painful. Don't be like, you know, because I'm the one who kiss you, not your partner. Yes. No, I love this guy. I'm editing some videos and suddenly he's like half of her body leaning on my lap. Yes, mates. I can't hold you. Roxy is heavy already. Okay. Oh, where's Dada? Are you gonna go get Dada? Oh, where is Dada? Go get him. Go get Dada. Yes, baby.
What's available?
There's a lot of like dots. I don't like it. Did you see white stuff? Dust? We're here at some daily area. A diner. And we're kind of waiting for... Is that mom waiting over there?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
We're kind of waiting for a group of my mother-in-law because... What time is it? 11? No, it's still early, hun.
It's 10 to 12, hon.
Huh?
10 minutes to 12.
I know, but usually these
supposed
people...
supposed to be here 11:30.
Oh.
I even asked the guy. Their appointment for 11:30.
Oh, so they have appointment.
He said a group of 6. I don't know if that's a dialysis group. He just says a group of 6. I would think a dialysis group.
Did
is
you
bigger
even
than
look
6.
over there if they're there already?
He said nobody's there from a group.
Okay. So...
I might leave you here and go back inside and see what's going on.
It's Audrey. It's Audrey.
Is it? Oh, okay.
Okay, that's
You
her
got that nice
parking.
face.
You see the lipstick, guys?
You can't get it off for 2 days. Stuck. Permanent now.
Actually, it's
That's
really
her new
hard.
lip color.
Actually, it's really hard to take off this lipstick, and it's really nice lipstick, and it's really cheap. $4.29 or $4.99 at Walgreens. And yeah, so it's a Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. That's the shade. Hello, Ibid! Hello, Ibid! Hello, Ibid! It's hot today, guys. And this is what I'm wearing. It's good for snow in cold weather. Oh my god, what happiness. I'm sweating. I have to get naked. This thing, and it's really, I don't know this. It's really 60 today. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Come on, Debs. I can't water it if you're pushing it with your head.
Oh my god, impulse. Annoying little creature. Guys, we're gonna have lunch. I have rice, salmon from last night, and broccoli rub again. I like the lipstick. The good thing about this lipstick, guys, is it won't. I eat a lot. I made a review of this. I ate a lot the other day, and it doesn't still stuck. Like stuck. I have to like rub it before it, you know, it come on. Meron kaming malaking problema, guys. I don't know if I can share it with you now, but probably I will. It's a big, huge problema sa tungkol sa bahay namin. Kasi hindi talaga siya maliit, guys. Kahapon lang namin na nalaman. Kasi meron kaming natanggap. So, kahapon lang namin nalaman. So, mamaya na lang, guys, ha? Thank you. We're just gonna go somewhere and then come back quick. Defrosting some pork because that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Because Tommy has been wanting to cook that fat pork chops, and that's gonna be really a hard pork chops. It's really hard to cook pork chops. It's hard pork.
Why is it hard?
No, it's not hard of cooking it. It's just hard that after you eat it, after cooking it, when you eat it, it's not tender at all. It's not like steak. It's not like lamb. It's not like.
Look at right. It could be tender and juicy. The meat is tighter, so yes.
So you have to cook it longer in the liquid.
Oh, well, in the liquid.
Yeah, but what kind of liquid to make it so tasty? I'm gonna look on YouTube. YouTube is always the
Lemon, vinegar, like that.
yeah, vinegar makes everything hard. You know, vinegar is make meat hard. Nag-edit na lang ako ng video, mga 7 minutes na lang to drink Pinot Grigio. Santa Marina Pinot Grigio. Kailangan kong uminom kahit konti para naman bawasan yung kalungkutan ko sa buhay. May kalungkutan talaga.
Shit.
What happened?
I searched by address and it says there's no
No address. Can't find it. Hi guys, maayong gabi. Matutulog. Where I'm in the room now. And I'm so happy that the pork chops turned out really good. Nothing really going on today. It's just really taking care of business. That Tommy and I need to be done. It's about the house, guys. I will tell you more story about that because it's really surprise to us. It's like really surprising and shocking when we have closing in our house. There is something we know that everything this is that. But yesterday my sister-in-law and I looked at the papers that I received from the other house, and she kind of shocked, and then calling everyone and this and that, looking in the internet why that doesn't. Yesterday I was really unhappy, like I don't know, that's why I haven't vlogged yesterday, and even today I'm still kind of very stressful thinking about it. And so anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching all the time, and I appreciate it so much, and I will see you in my next vlog. I will see you tomorrow, guys. I will try to upload every day. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. Bye. Almost a year already and we are not here. Last year I wanna be here, but you have to print this.
Yeah, it's a charger.
Guys,
The
look
other
at
thing
this.
is a case.